This is your Buck News.
Hello, and welcome to Buck News. I'm Morgan Creasy.
And I'm Deja Joseph. The new Physician Assistant program at CSU has its first cohort this semester. There were 300 applicants for the inaugural class of 25.
PAs are trained to address medical diagnosis, develop treatment plans, and prescribe medications. The 24-month program is housed in the new state-of-the-art health sciences facility, which includes a cadaver lab and simulators, which will prepare students to work in all areas of healthcare. For additional information, contact PA program at csuniv.edu or call 843-863-7427.
Come out on Monday, January 22nd at 7:30 p.m. to watch the faculty recital in Lightsey Chapel. It will feature CSU flute professor Regina Helcher-Yost and guest recitalist Interlochen Arts Academy flute professor Nancy Stagnita. The recital is free and open to the public.
If it has been your dream to be a collegiate musician, don't miss the Horton School of Music auditions. Auditions are this Saturday, January 27th and February 19th. You can find more information and the application at the website below.
CSU welcomes Charlene Stanford to be the guest speaker during chapel this week. Come listen to a great message, worship, and earn chapel credits on Wednesday at 11 in Lightsey Chapel.
Coming up this week, Campus Recreation and Residence Life is partnering together to host a 2K tournament. Registration opens at 6 and the tournament will begin at 7. You can head over to the Whitfield Center Room 102 and 103 to play. If you have a preference, they will have both Xbox One and PS4.
Video games may not be your thing, but if basketball is more your speed, you're in luck. Registration for intramural basketball ends Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. You can register at imleagues.com or by downloading the IM Leagues app. If you have questions, stop by the Brewer Center. Now let's give it over to Danielle with sports.
Hey, I'm Danielle Hensley, and this is your CSU Sports Update. Over the weekend, women's tennis started their season at the Duckworth Winter Classic. They took on Clemson University first, falling short 7-0, but made a comeback and beat UNC Wilmington 4-0. They finished off against Appalachian State with the final score of 4-2. Men's basketball had a busy week as well, starting on Monday when they faced UNC Asheville. Christian Keeling made up 22 points for the Bucks for a final 83-73. Campbell was up next, and after a solid defensive game, the Bucks fell 62-47. Finishing strong, the Buccaneers beat Gardner-Webb on Sunday at home 83-68. Moving on to women's basketball, they started their week at home beating Winthrop with a final score of 81-45. Junior Shelby Wilbanks led the Bucks with 16 points. They ended their week on the road at Gardner-Webb, falling short to the Running Bulldogs 68-52. They will start this week on Tuesday here at home against UNC Asheville, tip-off set for 7 p.m. If you can't make it on Tuesday, they'll be home again on Saturday, hosting High Point. We'll see you there at 3 p.m. Men's basketball plays at home on Wednesday, hosting Presbyterian at 7:30. They will then travel to Radford University on Saturday to take on the Highlanders at 2 p.m. If you can't be there, you can watch live on the Stadium Network. Capping off the weekend, men and women's track and field will be competing at the VMI Challenge this Saturday in Lexington, Virginia. And that was your CSU Sports Update. I'm Danielle Hensley. Go Bucks!
This Saturday, CSU will host First Look. Future students are welcome to come and visit campus to get a tour, meet current students, faculty, admissions, and financial aid. Visit the website shown below to register. We all know money can get tight, so if you're looking for a side job, we have some opportunities for you. Women's basketball is in need of some team managers. Students must be able to attend practices and games, as well as being dependable and having strong communication skills. This is a work-study position, so for more information or to apply, contact Elise Kiplocks.
The CSU Alumni Office is also searching for students to be callers for the Alumni Phonathon. Callers should be passionate about CSU with great communication skills. The position will start the first week in February and will continue until the end of March. Hours will be Monday through Wednesday from 6 to 9 p.m. This will be a work-study position, and eligibility will be determined by the Financial Aid Office. Visit the link below to apply.
And that's your Buck News for the week. To submit news, photos, or videos, email bucknews@csuniv.edu.
Visit our website or social media for all the latest news. Have a great week. Go Bucks!